Hi guys, welcome back to Jessie on the Go. Today I am about to head into a lab core to go get my blood work done to check on my iron levels before baby gets here. I kind of love that I can make an appointment now and don't have to go in and wait too long, so that's really nice. And then I'm gonna get some grocery pickup. I'm gonna go home. I might even do a freezer meal today. My husband had to do overnight last night. They had to replace some equipment. So he's actually home sleeping right now. So he got home right as I was leaving to go out. I'm not feeling the best today, but I just think I always feel weird when he's like working overnight. It's different when he's like gone for the week and I know that he's sleeping at night and everything, but I always get nervous when he works overnight just because fatigue and, you know, just you always worry. But he's home now, he's fine, he's sleeping. And I'm in my son's car again because it has a trunk and it's a little bit more grocery friendly, especially when I'm getting like huge pickup orders. So I'll make sure to share that grocery haul with you as well. That was super fast and easy. They make it so easy now. Like, I knew I needed to get blood work done on a specific day before my hematologist appointment next week. So like a week ago, I made an appointment with LabCorp. I rock up at 9:10, check in for my appointment. I'm in, I'm out. It was very easy versus back in the day when you used to just, maybe they had appointments back in the day and I didn't utilize it correctly, but appointments for blood work is so much better than showing up and waiting for hours. Like I used to feel like it used to take forever to get blood work done at like a LabCorp or like a blood work place or something like that. But that was so fast, so easy. So I'm gonna go get me some McDonald's and then go pick up my groceries and then go home. I picked up McDonald's. I got me an Egg McMuffin meal, and then I also picked up my son a sausage McMuffin because he's gonna help me carry in all these groceries when I get home. So, little treat to sweeten the deal because this is gonna be a lot. This is a ridiculous haul, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything I got. This is the last big like stock up before baby comes, and we'll just do supplementary like little pickups here and there until he gets here, and then afterwards I'll just make a pickup and my husband or son or somebody can go pick it up for me. So here is the damage. Like this one's huge. I said last week's was big. This one is ridiculous, which you actually saw last week's on Monday because that was last Friday, but holy smokes. First up, we have some orange juice. We go through this like crazy. I got 2 Yoo-Hoos. That was a substitution. I wanted the cans, but the juice boxes are fine. A thing of Pepsi, 2 IBCs. I think isn't it IBC? Yeah, IBC root beers. It is Father's Day weekend. That's my husband's favorite. Ginger ale, and then all this Gatorade. Like I said, I am obsessed with this Gatorade. It's summertime. We need the little Gatorade. Electrolytes. We have everything bagels. We have some buns for chicken patties. We have some English muffins, some bread, a ton of fruits and veggies. I got some cherries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, grape tomatoes, bananas, a pink lady apples, some celery, some clementines, some peaches, another little thing of strawberries because I'm making strawberry pretzel salad for Father's Day. I got some asparagus, spinach, mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms. My husband loves mushrooms though, so I figured we can make some like some veggie omelets and stuff for him. He loves that. An onion, cucumber, green pepper, some broccoli. Back here we have some Ripples chips, 2 things of pretzels, some Cheez-It Grooves, white cheddar, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This was a craving of mine. I got some granola bars for the hospital bag. I got, ow, I just stepped on my shoe. I have 2 pies in there just to have in the freezer. I got another thing of Fiesta Blend cheese. These are all the meats I got. I got some more Italian sausage, some chicken breast tenderloins, some pork chops, some chicken thighs. These are going in the freezer meal. And then I got some chicken drumsticks. I was craving some grilled barbecue drumsticks. So that's what we're gonna do with that. I'm gonna freeze some of these as well. Scrapple 2 things of bacon, some butter, some more oat milk, some sour cream, some ricotta, some sliced strawberries and sugar. I got these because I was afraid that they wouldn't have fresh strawberries, so this was like backup for my strawberry pretzel salad. Buttermilk, blueberry, cream cheese, and Cool Whip for the strawberry pretzel salad. 2 things of shrimp. I asked for breakfast sausage. I don't remember saying yes to the substitution, but this is turkey, but hey, it'll be fine. It'll still taste good. These roasted red potatoes and green beans. This is actually not bad. These are pretty good. It comes with a sauce and everything. And all this frozen stuff. So I have beef consomme, refried beans, some sloppy joe mix, beef consomme, and then my regular Hunt's pasta sauce, brown gravy, Jello, ranch seasoning, jarred garlic, some of our favorite stone ground mustard. And then as far as the frozen, we have some popcorn shrimp, golden crispy crowns, a bunch of like frozen shrimp we can put in the air fryer, little Red Baron deep dish pizzas. My daughter requested that. Some bagel bites, some mozzarella sticks, more bagel bites, some french fries, hot pockets, potato skins, chicken pot pies, bagel dogs, and more bagel bites, and then some off-brand breakfast sandwiches, french fries. So this is kind of a mistake. I guess I approved this substitution. I wanted 1 bag of chicken patties and then 1 bag of country fried steak, and they gave me 2 chicken patties. These will definitely get eaten. We don't mind chicken patty sandwiches. Put them in the air fryer with some ketchup. Delicious. I got some fish fillets. I got some chicken egg rolls, some of these little mini pierogies, and a can of this extra virgin olive oil spray. So this was about a $400 grocery haul, but I got a lot, and it was all food. Where last week it was $400 or $500, but half of it wasn't food. This is all food. I'm back in my office again. I slept. I just woke up, but I wanted to come up here and work on my Cricut again. I'm going to be hopefully making a Father's Day shirt for my husband. I found this one that's really funny. I don't know if it's going to go over well, but I'm just going to take you along as I try and make it. I also need to do some labels because I bought some Rubbermaid. They made me sign in again. That's so annoying. I bought some Rubbermaid tubs for my maternity, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, all those, and I want to go ahead and label those so that when I rearrange clothes, I know what they are. But I like having uniformity, so I'm gonna make some labels for that. I'm gonna make some labels for these little packing cube things that I'm gonna do for the little caddy I have for my truck. I have a bunch of little things that I want to do and get done, so I figured maybe I'll take you along with me while I try and figure this out. I was so intimidated by Cricut prior to actually getting one. My husband actually got me one 2017, I think, for Christmas or something. Like, he got me one, and this is at our old house. I didn't have my own office. I didn't have my own space to do anything. Didn't have time to like figure it out because I was just starting, I think, my YouTube channel. And I always regretted it, like, as I returned it, because I was just like, I just don't have time for this. It was a good idea. I was excited about it, but I just didn't have time for it. So when Cricut reached out and wanted to sponsor a video, I think at the beginning of this year on my Jessie at Home channel, I jumped at it because I was like, okay, cool. So you're going to pay me to figure this out and do cool things that I like doing anyway. Heck yeah, sign me up. And I'm so glad that I did it because it's really a lot of fun. Like, it really is. And it's not that hard. It does help that I have my own like craft space, my own room to do things in, and like time now to figure things out and have things laid out a little bit all over the place, versus where in my older house we really didn't have room for any extras. But anyway, yeah, I'm really happy with my Cricut and my heat press, and I love working with Cricut. I hope people never get upset that I take sponsorships and stuff, because you know, wouldn't you want to make money at doing something that you like doing anyway? Like, I don't know, that's the way I always think about it. I of course always only do things that I absolutely love, or products that I really like and really enjoy using, and are excited about. Whether it's an air fryer, which we still use to this day, it's downstairs in my kitchen, whether it's an air fryer or the multiple vacuums we have around my house, or the Cricut, or just anything. I always am very like particular about who I work with, what I'm working with, and what products I promote. So I don't really have any sponsorships on this channel, which is fine. This is, you know, vlog channel, whatever. But my Jessie at Home, I'm very particular about who I choose to work with. Okay, I don't know how like well this is gonna go over, but I thought it was funny. I think he's gonna think it's funny. We're gonna do DILF. Devoted, involved, loving father. Of course, there's the other meaning as well, which is kind of funny, double entendre there a little bit. But I think it's really funny. I'm going to do it in the infusible ink. I'm going to do it in two different like colors, and we'll see how this works. So this is the infusible ink sheet that I'm going to be using for the DILF, and I think it's so cool looking. Hope it looks good. And this is just the shirt that I'm using. It is compatible with the infusible ink. I've only ever used the white one, so hopefully this turns out good. I don't know. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I like it. I guess I didn't press hard enough on this side right here. So it's a little bit fadey, but it kind of works because it's like space themed. I kind of love it. So this is going to be his Father's Day shirt. So I am going to vlog on Father's Day, and you can see his reaction. But for now, I gotta go cook dinner. Should let you know, yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.
All right, so we are done with dinner. I'm gonna sit down as a family and eat, and then we're gonna finish watching, I think, the last episode of The Handmaid's Tale. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week.